back, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's a nice fall morning. It's not even officially fall yet, but it's a nice chilly morning. I hope everybody's doing well. Everybody's out there doing their thing. If you like the channel, like what you see, give a big thumbs up and subscribe. So let me ask you, do you think New York City is dead? My answer to that question is no. It's far from dead. Although it looks like it, it's not. It's gonna take a whole lot more to bring New York City down. Wow, there's no traffic. Oh, there it is. So clearly, summer is over. Got my jacket on. So that's it. Kind of like it like this though. Are we heading back into the 80s? I don't know if you guys remember the 80s, but the 80s were crap, especially in the city. I work in the city, so I see it every day. It's not what it used to be. I'm 2 blocks away from the Empire State Building, and last year at this time, there was just so many people on the streets at any time. Morning, lunchtime, when you're leaving. I mean, sometimes you had to walk on the street just to get out of their way. And that's like the people who work in the offices and the freaking tourists. Now, there's no tourists. Not that many people working in the offices. I mean, I don't know when it's gonna come back. Squeeze in here. Just this morning I was watching news how they were talking about this garbage problem, people just throwing garbage all over the streets, but I really haven't seen that. Maybe where I'm roaming around I don't see it, but it's on the news, man. You know, there's a lot of homeless people too. I see a lot more homeless people on 5th Avenue. Homeless people, people with issues, people on drugs. Look like they're falling asleep, standing up, doubled over. As you can see, there is a lot of traffic. So people are going somewhere. For sure we're heading through a serious downturn, but it should bounce back. Maybe take a year or two. You know, once the tourists start coming back, once this pandemic thing is over, hopefully it'll be over. You know, what is that? Go on the bus lane. Yeah, boy. That's right. Follow the blocker. Come on, almost made it. So let me know what you guys think. What do you guys think about the city? What's happening to New York? Is it all gonna be okay? Should we all start thinking about moving out of the city? I mean, a lot of people are already working from home. I think I can do my job from home too. But I'm sure they won't let me. So hope you guys have a great day. Right there, baby. Gotcha. All right, everybody. Hope you had a great time as much as I did. Time to park and go to work.
I got it. It's not taping you. You speak your face.
Yeah. Hey, wait.
He's in trouble. He's in trouble. Him, not me. Him.
You guys don't make me overtime?